First we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. I do not see any dents or scratches on this car, and all 4 wheels are in perfect condition. Now let's take a look inside, starting with the driver's seat. Driver's side looks good. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side looks good. Let's take a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Not seeing any wear and tear at all. Everything looks fine. There are no scratches. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks really good as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. Last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives. Welcome to HGreg. Here we have a 2018 BMW M2. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge.